Hello ladies and gentlemen, this channel as always I share with you ways you can make money online. Remember, all the website I talk about, they're legit. So my question to you, can you type? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. So the following are websites which I know for a fact they're going to help you to earn money online. So let's start this channel. Welcome and please subscribe. Alright, so for those who are interested to do transcription work, this is a platform called GoTranscript. GoTranscript is accepted worldwide. They hire freelancers from around the world. What they expect from you is basically you need to pass their transcription test. What does the transcription test involve? It involves you passing their English test, and of course their typing speed. They're going to check, are you fast in typing? So can you type 30 words per minute? If you can do that, then go ahead and apply for this opportunity. Remember, they're hiring freelancers from around the world. So they usually have a transcription, automated transcript, caption, translation. These are the type of niches they have over here. And of course, this is what people are talking about, clients who have worked with them. One of the big advantages of using GoTranscript is that it can cater for the more complex projects you may need to handle. Another one says human transcribers at GoTranscript return nearly 100% accurate transcription in a couple of days and didn't balk at recording featuring heavy accent. Remember, when you're working on GoTranscript, you need to deliver 99.9% accurate work. Why? Because the platform assures their client that that's what they are going to deliver. Accuracy, 99.9% accurate. Remember, also you need to have a PayPal account because that's where you're going to receive your money. And like they say, that's what they're offering their client. Like here they say 100% happy guarantee. We employ a robust quality assurance process to deliver flawless quality over work. That's the reason why you as a freelancer, when you go on this platform, make sure you deliver 99.9% accurate work, because they're going to grade you. If you end up delivering poor quality work, they're going to remove you. How much can you earn per week? You can end up earning over $250 per week or more, depending on the complex and how much the work you're doing is paying at the end of the day. So the more work you deliver, quality work, the more money you end up earning at the end of the day. And remember, they're paying you through PayPal account. So they have medical niches and legal, academic, and many other sectors. So for those who are interested, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and of course drop your comments. If you're interested, go to GoTranscript. Remember, signing up is free of charge and it's easy. Make sure you pass their tests. Once you pass their test, then of course you start working. They have over hundreds and hundreds of jobs. It's you to decide the type of job you are interested in. They've worked with companies like iProyolo, Hineres, Finastra, and many others. So this is a legit website and is known worldwide, and they accept freelancers from around the world. So the next website that I'm going to mention here is another website is called CrowdTranscript. They're hiring worldwide and also is a transcription website. They accept freelancers from around the world, as you can see there. So they say, do you enjoy writing or reading? Are you looking to make a little extra cash on the side? Or maybe you're a student who needs flexible work? Then this place is for you. So the 3 steps to get started is basically you sign up with them, and then once you sign up with them, you pass their test. Once you pass their test, you start working with them. Make sure you have a PayPal account because they're going to pay you through your PayPal account, and make sure you pass their test, because if you don't pass their test, you're not going to become a member as a freelancer there, and you cannot get access to those jobs. So make sure you pass their test. What does the transcription test involve? They're going to test on your fluency in English and your typing speed. How fast are you? They're going to test all that. So make sure you pass that. So someone has said here, Jerry has given a testimony saying, I wasn't sure at first if I would be a good at this, but I really like the content and I can work any time of day or night. So get started USA, get started Canada, bilingual Spanish speakers, and many others. So it's up to you to go this platform and you apply. So their mission is, the CrowdTranscript mission is to solve media challenges for the deaf, hard of hearing, and second language viewers. Our focus is to build a community of optimistic and thoughtful community of freelancers, transcribers, to create online media that is enjoyed by all, for the crowd, by the crowd. So if you're interested, please go on this platform and subscribe with them. So it's easy. Everything of there is there. Also, there is a blog section, there is welcome, about us, and all this stuff. So if you find this opportunity, go on this platform and apply. All right, so the next website Rev is another website for transcriptionists who are looking for ways to earn money online. This is a legit website, is known worldwide. So Rev freelance jobs let you work from anywhere. You are able to choose the type of jobs you want, flexible, whether you want to work at home, in an office, during a holiday, whichever part of the world you're in, you can work. Okay. At the end of the day, what they care about is you submitting the work on time. So create a flexible work schedule. Why you should work with them? You have flexible work schedule. Our freelance jobs allow you to work as much or as little as you want with wherever you want. Choose from hundreds of jobs. Enjoy selecting from a variety of projects that actually interest you. Our vast network of customers means a steady stream of freelancing jobs to choose from. Then you get paid weekly. So receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. Rev is on time and dependable. That's the reason why they say that. Rev is on time and dependable, meaning they were saying they're legit website and they pay you for the work you have done. Every week, once you have delivered the job, they paid you. So they have jobs for transcriptioning, they have jobs for captioning, and they've given you the prices over there. You can check on that. And of course, remember, you need to have a PayPal account. That's the only way you're going to receive your money for the work you have done. So how to join? First of all, it's 3 easy steps. They say take a quick quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. Remember, I said you're going to be given transcription tests. That's what they mean. Take a quiz, that's the first step, to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. Then submit a transcription or caption sample, which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality expectation. Why do they say that? Because they usually guarantee their customer that they're going to offer 99.9% accurate work. That's the reason they're saying that. Then if you are approved, you'll be able to register and start earning right away. Once you pass their test, the requirement, you start working immediately and you get paid bi-weekly. All right. So as you can see here, that's what they're saying. So is it known, this website? Yes, they work with Penny Hoarder, Forbes, Huffington Post. They work at home, the Real Ways to Earn, Business Insider. So it's a legit website and is known worldwide. So if you're interested, kindly go on this website and start working with them. Remember, you must pass their tests for you to work with them. You must deliver 99.9% accurate quality work for you to continue working with them, and they pay you weekly through PayPal. So if you're interested, start working with them, go and apply. The steps are very easy. So all right, the next website we're talking about is called Casting Words. So do you have a sample transcript? All right, so this is what they usually look for in terms of a sample word script that involves casting words. Now, if you're interested to work with them, you can go and look at their questions. For example, what is transcription? Transcription is basically you listen to words and you translate them into, and you put down the data into words. Why should you work with casting words? Because they offer you flexibility, work flexibility. You choose the types of job you want to work with, and you get paid per weekly through PayPal. And of course, you get to choose the types of jobs you want to work with, and many other reasons why people choose casting words. So the types of services they have several services, like for example legal. They have, for example, medical. They have, for example, a legal sector. You know, there's so much you can do. I remember they have casting services, where captioning services, where if you're maybe the YouTubers who want to get caption services, they can be given. If you're maybe a blogger, if you're a podcaster, or companies that want to get those captioning, they can hire these people. So the reason why I'm talking about casting words is because they accept freelancers from around the world, but make sure you pass their grammar, their typing speed tests, and of course you need to have a PayPal account. And once you have all that, you meet the requirements, you start working with them. So if you're interested, go on castingwords.com. Signing up is free of charge, and they accept freelancers from around the world. So the next website we're going to talk about, another website is called Transcribe Me. Transcribe Me is a popular website that is known worldwide for transcribers So to become a freelancer and start earning money from anywhere, that's the reason why you should choose Transcribing, because they accept freelancers from around the world. So you can join the team, become part of the community. What they require from you is basically you pass their transcription test. You need to have a PayPal account, and make sure, of course, you deliver work on time and 99.9% accurate. So how much can you get starting? You can get around $15 to $20 per audio hour. Average, you can end up earning $250 monthly earnings. Special teams, that's basically those who are expertise, who usually work on complex high paying jobs. They usually are given around $60 to $70 per audio hour. All right, so now the reason why people like to join this website as transcription is because you get flexibility and career growth. Then of course, because you end up earning from anywhere on the world, whether you're on holiday, whether you're at home, or whether you're at work, doing an extra side hustle, you're allowed, as long as you deliver work on time. All right, then you get to get promotion. So the more you're on this website and you deliver high quality work and they impress with your work, they usually promote you to do those complex high paying jobs, and only people who are good, who are offering high quality, who are experienced in that field, are the ones who get promoted and end up earning a good amount of money, because per audio hour you're being paid around $60 to $70 per audio hour. Which is a good amount of which is good pay. All right, and then of course, this is what freelancers are saying. For example, Tennessee has been working with this website for around 3 years, and she said transcribing has allowed me to maintain a flexible work schedule. This gives me the freedom to be able to work when I want. Susan has said I can work my work around what I need to do for myself, which is fantastic. Transcribing is the perfect place for me to work. Another one has said, Shadrach from South Africa, I've loved every second of it. I have loved to work when I want to work and not to work when I don't feel like working. So for those freelancers, I hope this one has encouraged you. So the steps is to join is simple. Create an account. All you need is access to a computer and internet. The second stage is connect your PayPal account while registering. Why? Because that's where you're going to receive your money. The last stage is take the entrance exam. After passing the exam, we'll activate your account and you start choosing the type of job you want. And remember, deliver quality work and on time, and you start earning good amount of money. So there is a section for question and answer section. I hope you can click on that and start listening to what they're saying, and hopefully you start you be on your journey of earning money online. So this is the website called Transcribe Me, and it accepts freelancers from around the world. So the next website, all right, another website is called Scre. Scre is another platform that accepts freelancers from around the world and is known. They guarantee to their client that they'll offer 99.9% accurate work, and they've worked with companies like Stanford, Grambridge University Press, the University of Chicago, and many others. Remember, for you to work with them, it's a three-stage process. You join, which is free of charge, and it's easy. And then once you've joined, you put down your PayPal information. Once you put down your PayPal information, then you do the transcription test. Once you pass the transcription test, then now you start joining the community, start getting those jobs, which are hundreds and hundreds of jobs which are being posted every day, and you choose the type of job that you want to do and start earning money, and you get paid per weekly. So Ron is saying, our service was faster than expected. Error rate was less than 1%. I am very impressed. I will call on you again. A great value at price. I have worked with news networks that use the expensive services out of New York. Your service is equal or better. So there's so many testimonies people have talked about. They have over 50,000 certified transcribers who are globally, and they've done a lot of work with thousands and thousands of clientele. Okay. So the process, they usually, what they do to check if the work has quality, first of all, they transcribe, then they review the work, then they proofread the work to see if there are any mistake, they correct them, then quality check, and then you deliver the work, which is very important. So like like what I said, the process of joining to become a transcriber as a freelancer is you sign up as a transcriber, you set up your PayPal account and take transcription test. The transcription tests involve, of course, English grammar, typing speed test. Once you pass that, then you join the community. Congratulations, and start working with them. If you find this content to be useful, please subscribe to my channel. I talk about online opportunities and the legit website that are hiring worldwide. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time.